Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I have another short video. I think this is one of my shortest video ever, and I'm going to be creating a 12 by 12 layout to document this picture. This is I think a 6 by 8, and it is documenting the last orchestra concert for middle school for my son. And I am happy to report that he chose and desires to continue learning more of the violin, and he will be taking orchestra this year in high school, and super excited to start documenting the more challenging performances that he will have. But anyways, this kit was a collection by Echo Park, and I actually found it at Tuesday Morning, very inexpensive. So I already had the picture. I don't know, I just was lucky enough to just find the perfect kit for it. Because again, it is inspired by orchestra, and not only violins but the pianos as well, and the cellos and everything. So I was just super lucky to find something like that, because I had already had the picture before, and I knew that I wanted to document it. I just was waiting on some paper. I guess I feel like I'm ranting. But anyways, you guys, I am gonna leave you here because there is honestly nothing to this layout. I just tore some paper up, created a background in multiple layers so that it creates dimension, and it doesn't make the layout look as simple as it really is, like I'm trying to hide how simple it is. And that's basically it. Just gonna add like the stickers that came with the kit, and that's practically it, you guys. There's nothing else to it. So I will leave you guys here, and I'm gonna finish the video with the remaining of the video with a little bit of music. And thank you for watching. I hope that you guys like these little short videos. I know nothing compared to like the 40 long videos I was doing, right? The 40-minute long videos. But anyways, I hope you guys like it, or like the short videos as well. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Have a blessed week. Bye guys.